If you love sending photos or videos on WhatsApp, this is worth knowing. By default, when you send photos or videos on WhatsApp, the app makes them smaller by compressing them. Now, for the person that you send the photos or videos to, inside WhatsApp, they will still look fine, but when that person saves them or want to post them online or even want to keep them in a proper way, the quality isn't super amazing. So why does WhatsApp do this? Well, because smaller photos uses less data, and so videos and photos will send faster, which is perfect for everyday chatting and exactly what we want. So what should you do if you want to send holiday photos to your mom, videos of your cat's birthday to your friends, or something you know the other person would love to keep or share on social media? Well, the good news is that you can still do this on WhatsApp by just doing this small little thing. So when you select photos or videos, you simply just tap this HD button before sending. This sends the photo or the video in a higher quality, so it stays sharper and clearer instead of slightly blurry, perfect for sharing precious pictures or videos. Now, keep in mind, HD won't fix a bad photo. If the original wasn't clear, it won't magically improve it. The photo or the video needs to be of higher quality before you're sending it. Also, for sharing between friends and family and some work situations, this HD feature is perfect. But for professional use like official wedding photos or print-ready images, WhatsApp still isn't ideal. And one last thing, HD files are bigger, so they're going to use more data and take a little bit longer to send. So it's best to use this feature on unlimited Wi-Fi or a generous data plan.